ESP32 pulse. Width modulation. PWM. Controller. Objectives. ESP32 hardware. Arduino software. Lab challenge. ESP32 PWM. The PWM, pulse width modulation, artificially creates a variable, voltage between 0 and 3.3 V. The PWM on the ESP32 is much more complete than on the Arduino. PWM is a method for obtaining analog-looking signals on digital pins. We create a square wave, a signal switching between a high and low level, between 0V and 3.3 V. This succession of high or low levels can simulate an intermediate voltage between the two levels by playing on the balance when the signal is high and low. Materials needed. Breadboard. ESP32 training kit. 0.3x 5mm LED. 0.3x 330 ohm resistor. Jump wire wires. 0.10K potentiometer. Laboratory challenge. LED fading using ESP32 PWM. Control LED brightness using potentiometer. Design a circuit and write a program of an Arduino based DC motor speed control using a potentiometer. Lab exercise setup 1. LED fading using ESP32 PWM. Let's create a small application in which LED will fade continuously. This LED fading application is used for decoration at functions and festivals. Lab exercise setup 2. Control LED brightness using potentiometer. Let's build an application in which we will control the brightness of LED using ESP32 by varying the potentiometer knob. So, when we rotate the knob of the potentiometer, the ADC of ESP32 will read this analog signal. Then we will generate PWM signal proportional to the analog signal.